Hey guys, I'm here with my coach today, doing my workout with that Pilates with Emily. Obviously I don't call it that, I call it Coach M. And we're working on some upper quadrant stuff. And this is something that I really struggle with, I have a really difficult time with. But this particular exercise that I'm about to show you, I wanted to film this because this is exactly what we do as jumpers when we're landing. And this is probably the reason why our butts hit the sand before our heels. And I think this is going to be a great exercise to change it. I'm actually going to let Coach M explain what I'm doing here. So she's going to talk me through it.
Okay, we're going to go into a classic bridge. We're going to make sure the spine isn't articulating. So Coach E is using his fingers on his belly button and sternum to keep that distance the same as he lifts the pelvis off the floor. There we go. Nice. Good. Very nice. And then maintaining that distance on the way back down.
This is not easy.
That's it. And if your head needs to lift up, which is fine because you're going to mobilize your shoulder blades around your humerus. Yes, very nice. And Coach, how does that feel on your hamstrings?
Oh, so much nicer. No hamstring pain.